We've already defined a function called isPass. This function takes a number and returns whether a Boolean to indicate whether that number, representing a grade, is a passing grade or not. It's got one line inside the function body, and this line contains a return statement that checks to see whether the parameter, grade, is greater than or equal to 50. We say that 50 is a magic number. It's this value that occurs in the function for which we haven't explained the meaning, and sometimes we see magic numbers, the same magic number, used multiple times in our program. In this case, it's only there once, but nonetheless, it's a magic number. Rather than use the value 50, we're going to replace that with a constant. So I've defined a constant named passBoundary. I use uppercase letters for the name to signal that it is a constant. And what makes it a constant is that its value should not be changed in the program. That's what that uppercase naming should mean to other programmers reading our code. Then inside the function body, rather than using 50, I'm going to use passBoundary. Now, when I execute my program, it works exactly the same way as it did before. Checking to see whether 70 is a pass, it should return true because it is. But let's say I want a different pass boundary. Maybe I want 80 to be the boundary. Rather than make a change inside the function body, we're going to make the change once at the top by reassigning the value of the constant. So, to be clear, we can give the constant an initial value once. We shouldn't ever change it later in our same program, though. So we've got this code, and now when I run it, we get a different result because the boundary has been set to 80.